What's up, guys? So, the other night, me and my friends were playing some Halo Infinite. We were messing around, and one of my friends offered me to use only pistols, right? Me and all my friends were all going to use pistols in a couple of rounds of Halo, and see how we did. Now, I'm not going to spoil any of the gameplay for you guys, but I think I did alright. But you guys can be the judge of that. Like, subscribe, and enjoy.
Yeah, let's go! Alright!
Yeah, so my pistol shots are like way better with vibration off.
Rob tried to get it.
Oh, bitch. Someone's trying to take the fucking... Nope, not happening. Where'd it go?
That's me.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, well I didn't mean to kill that guy.
Yeah, stop getting kills, damn it.
There, I got an assist.
Oh, that guy's just camping.
God,
above
what
your
the...
arm.
Bro, how the fuck...
Up above you, Rob. I got him already.
Okay. I was on dark spotting. I guess he's... Oh, he's over here.
There's 2 people on my body now. I got an assist.
Oh, that's a bot.
What?
Rob.
That's a
I
fucking
just
bot.
got you assist.
Fitz, yeah, Fitzy sees him. Alright, cool.
Yeah, bitch!
In the middle.
Where?
He ran to the right.
There he is.
Thank you.
Shit.
I was like bursting my gun trying to get an assist for that. Rob, come back here. I want to follow you.
Enemy line.
No, get away from me. Don't touch my butt. Don't touch my butt.
Touch.
Back here,
Touch.
bitch.
Don't touch my butt. I just fucked
Damn
that
it.
dude up.
Oh, behind!
Killing spree. Double kill.
God, dude.
Round
Oh, I got, what?
This is disgusting what I'm doing with the pistol.
I got
It's
like 3 or
absolutely
4
fucking
of those.
disgusting.
elimination.
Like, what the fuck?
Ooh, pistols only challenge. And
I feel like this. I discovered a new superpower this whole fucking time. I'm gonna die. Oh wait, no,
Oh, I
I'm
fell
not
down.
dying.
Get him.
Got him. He was low already.
Guy near their battle rifle.
Yeah, this is
I'm
the
down
pistols
below, I
only
just fell
challenge
in.
right here.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm helping.
Well,
Taking fire.
There's a guy on me.
Thanks.
The enemy is nearly out of lives.
Behind us. Nice.
I am rather terrifying with this thing.
The heat wave. Yeah, heat wave's a good weapon.
Yep.
On my right, on my right.
On my everything. Oh. I'm almost dead.
Dude, kill him!
3 up, 3 down.
On my right.
Enemy Spartans are closing in.
Victory.
I don't think I use
Yeah,
my
let's
AR.
go!
I don't think I use my AR like at all. All right, pistols only. No cheating.
Oh, but we have
Oh,
to go
fuck
pick up the
that.
sword. We have to pick up the sword.
I'm picking
Oh.
up the hammer.
Got you, bitch.
Oh, I killed him.
I got the
Killed
assist.
him.
Behind
The
me.
hammer went off the map.
Enemy shields down.
Get him. He's... There we go. I got
Yes.
my assist.
All right, let's go.
Last
let's go.
shot.
Good start. Good. Oh, whoa, whoa, one more. No, 2 more. Oh, I need help.
Whoa.
One more.
Okay, there
Oh,
you
god damn it. Another one. Ah, behind.
Ah, he got me.
He's
Alright,
going
come on, guys.
upstairs. He's going upstairs. On my body.
Oh. Oh, he's one shot.
Ah,
Oh, okay, he's dead.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Across, dark, 50, turn around.
I know. Oh, what the hell?
incoming.
Thanks for that. Appreciate it.
That's one revive.
Enemy lives deleted.
Cool.
Oh, he got me.
Oh my god.
Got it.
1v1.
No help, no help, no help.
Yeah! Good shit. Only
All pistols,
pistols. See? We're good with
And
just
grenades.
pistols. We don't need anything
Hey,
else.
that's just one round. That's just one round. All right, we got to go get the hammer.
Victory approaching.
All right, yep. We got the hammer. One over here.
Oh!
my
Oh,
God.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We are.
Oh, you got me.
down.
Get the hammer.
Press on.
That's
My shield popped.
Ah, damn.
oh.
Grab the equipment.
He's low. He's low. He's low.
Got him.
Good shit. One more.
Deftly enforced. For the job.
1v0. 1v2.
Behind you, Dark.
Victory.
Cool!
I started
Bro.
We did it.
We did it?
We did it.
Gunslingers? Like cowboys, right?
Only, bro.